Before I started to play the tambura, I wrote something I'd like to read to you. 1-minute definition of enlightenment. Once we can truly observe our own life without any judgment, we will instantly realize that we are bound by whatever we have learned. This should be clear that our culture has influenced our thoughts, our feelings, and even our bodily sensations. Can we be free of all that is not pure I, the subject? Is it possible? The I that has gone through all we have accumulated from the environment in which we are living today as well. I have acquired, I am the subject, and what I have accumulated is my body. Body is also an accumulation from my mother in the beginning and then Mother Earth later. So I am a professional acquirer. But who is the subject I? Or am I just the acquirements, possessions? These are objects which are superimposed on my pure I, my pure subject. If you observe keenly and free your subject, that is I, of all that is not you, you are then free to be enlightened.